Hello everyone, sorry, it's gonna be a quick one. I wanted to touch bases before I step out of here to go to work. Please, if you get this message, I would like you to share this program. Guys, like I told you, I felt so sick since yesterday. I couldn't come out because of the incident, the terrible tragedy accident that took place yesterday. Man, the thing, I was really devastated. I wasn't myself. The thing matrumoyi, honestly speaking, and when you not in shock, I was in shock because of that young man's premature death. May he so keep resting in peace. For those of you, there's a comment that I really want to blast this morning, but I got myself, made don't win. You see that guy? I may celebrate Gideon on my page. I'll celebrate him because that guy is one of the guys some Igbo men is supposed to be looking up to Junior Pope. You know why? He always there for his cakes. On a play with his children. I've been updating his videos. So you will learn. So any day, every day counts. You may go out today, you will not see those children. You won't have time to show fatherly love. Because imagine a man no carry all the time. Hey, Michael will be there when I will not have time to acknowledge anybody. Umaka no carry all the time. So every little time a father were to spend time with their children, learn from Junior Pope. I'll be posting times you all spend with his own children. So you guys will learn from it. One idiot to say, why am I posting him? Why am I so attached? Don't. I'm trying to hold myself. I'm that idiot. If he comment on my platform again, so I know they look face. I go block you. A woman da na comment na views again go. And when time he comment rubbish my opinion. Now let me go straight to the point. Where are all these wumukus? Ijele is coming out. Oh, they're like, who is Ijele? Udele. I heard that all Google went to her platform and posted now Udele. Iwe. When did she want to come on, send him $100 also. Ibuki, that is the cheapest thing everywhere. Come and send him $100. Oh, so you're hoping that Udele will come out. You do know why you guys are so daft? So daft in nature is because you guys read where owner lawyer wrote that Udele today. Wow. Let me read it. Come on, tag that it got school. All my hog school. And I walk to Google. On your for free. Come. Let me teach you. Let me teach you. Go on. You will post again. You will keep hoping and hoping. Your hope will never come to reality. And all these fools they follow Udele. I saw where they are writing, congratulations, welcome home. Welcome me. Are you guys this daft? Are you guys this really daft? To an extent, don't have my left and right. Why you guys this daft? So you're after your yeye charge and bear lawyer posted that today as a, let me even read that your yeye thing. Look at what he posted. Nigerian blogger Udele Bell's application suffers another setback as chief magistrate claim to be sick after the adjournment. You can't even read. I'm a graduate. You don't know your left and right. Not only you, majority of you guys are daft. Very daft. But Udele put another excuse what lawyer extra money to take picture to convince or to confuse it like owner. Udele came out with his miserable, confused Pota, please, let's take a little picture. Smile. Keep face like this. Now, before self, we don't get that picture before you. I just have been busy. I told you that Udele ain't coming out. Stop hoping for where there is no hope. Iti. Udele another setback. Make I not swallow on a stupidity. Make I not see una. Udele will remain where he belong. Udele one man. Ewu ko watonu ko. So he will remain where he is built to live in. Udele to remain in cave. You don't understand? One person was writing, oh, okay, I know you have a good heart. I see how this junior pope dead is affecting you. You know, you've been posting, that means sin is hurting you. Now, listen to me. Anybody responsible man compare to the kudela. Ashimu head kudela biaran negi biaran nage. Illetera somebody abroad with deportee. Somebody may abroad may video in the court. She please keep him there. Do not release him. Did you ever compare a responsible Igbo man, a man that represents family man, who tell a donated spam, and not one is Sudan, a Brunway Balaga, who tell I have never fathered who tell I have never represented Yana, father the son or a daughter before. Deji, a responsible Igbo man. Now look at a game. Play with his children, with his boys. Teach them how to be a man. He say if Udela want, I don't send Udela. Udela is not somebody that should. And when he hold the paper, Udela is just a waste of property. Oh, brain the too daft, too low, too small to understand the reality of life. Udele abandon his two sons. Another man is fathering them. Udele that have never had opportunity to train Udele that is a nuisance. Okay, let's assume now you want to compare a riffraff, a deportee, a nobody, to a young man who lost his life, who has been there for his children. Now commenting. Chineke zoro genewo. That's mama no heater be too much. Sure, let me turn the heater off. Damn, this heater is too much. Fuck. Eh? Get a chance somebody walk to anything in this life. Get Shemu, Udela, he's in jail. Iwonyara. Iwonyara when he make a Ishi. Is that how your IQ, how poor your IQ reason? Have you ever seen Junior Pope sit down? Na Telegram. Have you ever seen it before? Have you ever, you that comparing, you want me to give you 1 million reasons why Udela should remain where he is? And when he make a gish, are you not? Ije shibo to la ge kume, ije shimi ge kume, and we have a gishi. On your life, with the one data. No one place was kicked out a bookie. He tell me bookie. Not 1 million on one little place. That comment rubbish. Eh? No abandoned property like Udela. Now compare with a reasonable man who has time to nurture and take care of his 3 boys. Plague Udela Makumi ya lukuruna. Can Udela tell me how those 2 boys look like? Udela Muma Jahuna. Can Udela identify those little children? Another man to be taking care of his responsibility. Udela Kwalu go school before. Udela Manana to be a father. Never you ever again be on my comment section and comment stupid comment again. Chideka Ogoku. Someone reason like in that parekoro. Do I reason like in that parekoro? Oh, a tout like Okuku cannot read, cannot do research, cannot know what is this culture has did a setback again. It's gaga post na page. Apariaku bulagi. I'm a graduate that is under $15 per hour. Which come on, go back to school also. So, apare akubugi. Graduate way front and way back. Graduates that is stagnant, dear old age keep increasing, fat keep increasing, miserable life keep increasing. Daddy, I find love keep increasing. Nothing to write home about. It I want to hammer burugini. Look at people that follow Udele and look at their lifestyle. Nothing to write home about. Give us to hate way. Tell him again. Facebook, I don't know why you guys shadow banding views. I'm here by Facebook, I don't know what is happening. But nevertheless, keep sharing. And those of you, 1 million out of my pocket, because those that have been with me, that have been sharing. Those that have been with me are the people that will benefit before you. So if you want to get the same hospitality, you need to do more and share. I'm a very loyal person. And I'm a chef for more than do mini. So all these people you see that I'm supporting with 300,000, 200,000, 80,000, 100,000 are people that have been there for me. They've been asking for this money for a year or 2 years now. It didn't just happen. So that 1 million, my budgeting it to give it to my people that have been there. My billionaire friend, they can me out. Oh, Diego Mogo. You need to give me my own. Iman ego and a Jew. Ekechana the 1 million. I don't message. I don't the money. Need more. I need more. I need the more. Cows in Kagabana now. And it is me. Ekelamu over 1 million. It is Humiana. And another one just to send the remaining one. So for those of you that no, you will not share, you will not do anything, guys, come look at John Biko. That will not share, do anything. Because it takes time to build trust. And it takes time to be with someone. And it takes time to appreciate someone. And it takes help. Cheap pilot, cheap pilot, that is in busy now. What about me and myself? Ebe ima yem na bezina federal high class cases on ben na piano. E what I go? I ben na pende de Cabo Brisky hu. I am a very dark man. Udele anu ha untitere. Eba kam na piano na person what wasting time for them flush in the toilets. People that are no longer relevant. What I go? But in the one na clear what the road. Power ya hanum ne at least I got today. Ne piano kana paper. Ashena wash again. So I will wait. I will wait. Did he say that no game will happen? In your dream. Did you remember when you was asking to join me live? Make your peace, your opinion on Majo. Did you remember 3 years ago? When I was on my live program, okay, give me time to talk. I don't want anything to do with you. I get a share lady jet. Full package. You cannot offer nothing. Rather, okay, cheap a lot. What can you offer? Till date, mborogi. Do nagi be egagame like possession. Like possession, a kucha hogwaya fat a bidohu. Epi gagame is a restructure. Eze Allahu back to because ego got a complete. Instead of you to come out so I can help you and raise money. Kere breed your wegi, kere brand on wegi. Say no ga hapu pass and pass. The man that you will get it back. Anything cheap will pass back. Yeah, it's like a somebody. Imana kwede. Ikuna kwede. Gebia and gebia reko wakwede sabashe. Is sabashe na like kwede na. You see? Because you went for a cheap restructuring. Instead of you to come, get to cheap waka. The thing has started again. That nobody on your America accommodate to a fool like you. You are a virus. You are too dirty for Alice was telling me, I don't have time for you. I don't have time. I'm too occupied. Muna the president or senators or people matter in the society which are boku. Maybe get more shin. Get more akukwede. Maybe get magi. It's your time here. Ask you ego rebuild ogi. Get your kwake. Ubulake na me akukwede sabashi everywhere. Chineke kwakwa okishipana. How many times have you came to my platform to reconcile for peace? Ma chupogi, I don't give. Oh, Geraldine Merigalaw. Geraldine Merigalaw, Gabata. Oh, no man, I got in there. I am Merigalaw, Gabata. We're gonna do it like London. Geraldine, when you're making peace with Ogechi, let me know. Asin. If you're going to be a man with me before Geraldine, check a walk. I will. So you are thinking I will have issues with Geraldine over our dead body. And Geraldine, I heard, according to Ali, I heard that all she him and Cora. Was Geraldine copy video Cora, download that side, save it, report it. Ima that woman will join, but nevertheless, actually, Ima, when I came here, sorry, when in Obugu Shinano Chicago, police report to me and Shikangagari knew not Toye Bono. See, I won't put him too rugged for you to fuck with me. I'm too rugged. In that time, I'm to go Obugushi. Where are you? That threat I hope put a course in then, that video, that post soon save you. Another case. Where are you? Because you don't know me. First class citizen. Michigan. Dirty pig Michigan. Chugana Michigan. Gashi Putakane Pataya. Come see your record. I know they play. Now, but get me Jackson. Can you aware? So tomorrow you not go say because anything he mean is recorded. I gotta make police report to protect myself. Ima ukakamaki you record no Buddha. Call Pagana who can spend their gun and lawyer. I know they play this moment they play. Any threat, any pam, I'm yet save the police report number. Because I type Hana Ejitenage. Man, John Google, where you there? Make a find and do grab an Igbo. Now, all of them can destroy ya. See, there is no good thing. Let them make them a hoon. Come pieces you. And anyway, those are anyway, other Google, I find you come Texas. You call police. Okay, there's a woman came threatening me. She's downstairs. Now get to place he be. Police are back that I am entitled to enter any go-to place because it's a public place. Maturu, idiot abo, abu, Nora, Ghana, Keza, you know feed. Okay, get out. Anyway, my happy can walk on. You want to go? Maturu kabu. Avu, imana gina le pig Michigan. Ya de ka avu rueru I ga akpu afu. Ahu ya le ka abu. Ma churu ya je there. Ya say me na travel. I am on airport. I am all these people. Nah, guys, way more time. I'm busy, but any minute. Imana man no say oh you got the Obugugu. Where $100 Jigala Udele. Because he need green air way Gori. I don't know why you guys abandoned Ken. None of you is asking about Ken again. Ken again. What the make 10,000, 20,000. Ebeka bleach channel. I who your porn one on a be defending. Women stand for women. I who bleach your urula. I don't come here, but una aparuno kanaka unu kuiko pari ogulunu. I'm gonna continue. I just want to come and tell you, say, Udele, he ain't coming out. So, all these things where they talk, say, I get you delete you. I got a boost or delete you, unegi. Don't I go? Abrangi, I made this post. The one saying, oh, Google, you're not updated. Your brain, your IQ is too poor. Abrangi, last week, that if Udele come out to last week when they made the problem is that he's not even coming out. You want to go? I mean, somebody saying came and Cora way small. Cora is not a troublemaker. Cora is too lenient for you guys. Makachi, that lady Lola that day. That or I'm not any problem. Thank God they won't tell them permit to register to get a gun and register. As a military wife one. Even if I go anywhere, I go carry my pistol. No, dear me. I'm not like a Cora. They will know him getting it. My husband being a military, getting it that one. I've gotten my permits. Anywhere they go, or the register, I go carry them. Makachineke. Na Cora na. Okay, hold on, let me block you. Get out. I don't need get mad. You want to go? See, try it a bit more. You know, be talking. If you not draw for nega, ekuru hala, manasho wogechi. Look at Ndala. I'm walking very. Nkekora. One is just a comment on my platform. Hey, this one she teach everybody the lesson. I like the moment fire to fire. Cora, no. See, I always say this. Anybody got on the washing enemy, that person will die fast. Until you realize that you were an enemy. Like you belittle them. When they say they don't get enemy, everybody love them. Everybody love them. This should sound you as a warning. Because as Singam, there were people that love me when they hate me. And those people that love me hate you. Believe it or not, you were daft. You were when a full grown ass woman got everybody hates it. Everybody like it. Looking for validation where you know that people who hate the bleaching can come. People who hate that you were snitch. That he can never stay one place. And then wow, boy, you can betray at any given minute. Can I say people love you? That is why I'm GCK for one thing. My gun protection. And they luckily have been approved. And when I got to that, I'm not going to carry my eating your mouth again. Because I'm not and reports where you guys are threatening me. The next thing now, shoot too. My husband locked and wait time. We start it. Look at. Do I look like a Cora? Do you know why you guys were able to attack her? Because she's too quiet. She's too quiet. You can attack her. I heard that some people were saying that thing is fake. Why can you be this kind of thing? And now get on a camera. Now let me tell you about Cora. Cora Jarot ya public. No camera mo. The day denied Cora citizenship, Cora will put it na public. Cora no public police abasa avoya kuko mgbe dia gbara ya na o mere umu ya abando. Enwe ihe Cora mere me secrets. So everyone that one who is not fake, you guys are mad. Cora has been a social media. Do you know when a woman is delivering something that is secret, Cora made it public. Cora was in labor looking at views. Do you understand it? Because so everything Cora does, even if you want to shoot Cora will be on social media. If Cora was able to jackisha her private parts when she was airing live for people to see, for her to get views. Even if you want to connect Cora, do you know what is a woman showing her private part publicly just to get views, just to make money? What the heck do you think? Like somebody gonna connect Cora? Cora will not do video. You must be mad. This is who she is. Even if when they denied her citizenship, she's supposed to keep it secret, so her enemy will not mock her. She brought it online. Some people know they fake all this fake. Cora is a public figure. She believes that everything is a content. You want to go? She believes that everything that comes will give her money. So even if that you're choking her, you're about to, she will still do video. She has been doing it. She has been so if you use that as an excuse, you are a mad person. Period. Practically, you are mad. So, Udele, remain there. They said it's on the 18th. You will still remain there. Udele, I get mega get that in name and the camera. That thing in name, you was rejoicing. They think in the camera will come out today. He did not come out. Oh, people, I will mark you. A shaggy make his final sentence. I'm out put here. Carry my followers 500,000. No one care 500,000. Go and record it. Did I hear that people say Udele is out? Which Udele? Because he were daft. You don't know nothing. He ain't coming out. After Udele, after you met Udele, and you for the remaining 4. Nobody go on a chadakula, na lie. Na lie. Everybody must collect. People say, one idiot, one omega, omega, okay, to the like we are about day. When you guys get out them palace of fools, when you guys get out them palace of fools, we are putting hate speech, telling people to hate okay for no reason. When you guys get out their sponsor palace of fools, okay, to na table war, turn the bomb wookie. Eh, so, Orunu Nakaya with different story. Orunu Nakachine ka one nigga na go. Okay, cheme geji. Okay, cheme gimba. Okay, cheme gimo. Okay, china go chana hunagi. Okay, chana hoge. Gaga that one place. Somebody put an out took them matashi. Took them ashi. Okay, chijipura me okay cheme. Gamo de na support. Omega smart ashim chile to walk on. Ashim amado hakubuki. Reality, but I have no problem into your life. Emerenkinagi sponsor palace of fools for years against me. Oh, my husband man pay my revenge. Gash no get your bagara. Chinekema amadu hamabuoki. Odamre na lebu kubuoki. Ashimo na lebu ku suogi subuoki. Nwokwo wihere udelari ekwanoge. You guys, we are there. Supported Ken, put a lot of people hate speech in their mind against me. Gishim when revenge that Makachineke Yawurum on the opportunity to put Yenga life sentence. One after another. Ndala. Omega smart actually one negi. Ponda what did you okay? That your arm will never get up again. Chineke walk back or come. Idiots. Sponsor for food to us. Oh, don't get support or can. Let me block this John Frank. Come and get out. The Jeep negi. You can. May Tom Daniel scatters one. May you guys never live to see anything good. You may want opportunity to burn all of you. Gishimo. Now get also for you to test your labasoro. Chineke walk back or come. I don't get that forever. I go mega smart and megi unegi. Tom da bobu kweki. You get in a chebo waram. Obara woki. Tom da fire you. Obara in the body confusion nishi. Sponsored Ken. What I can put took them I shall lied against me. Then I shall Obara Subu one nigga Subun again. Unless my gamma will not get my revenge a boom in that Ndara. Drink para zig jamo job. Na koili. Amado hamabu kwage. Getting ready to go to work. Come on, get out. Come on, Shinga for. Idiot. Come on, shinga for it. Now intelligent hidden criminal. Intelligent fool mwetegi. Mechagi he. Good de la small. Mechagi he. Keep hiding for the rest of your life. Hey, me chokola with all these criminals. Gonna hana on. Mechagi he. If I ever get your identity, mechagi he. Just relax. Just relax. Apagi. Your criminal negi. Idiot. Useless set of fools. Fake accounts, useless man, very hopeless thing, very weak. Agamano again, no chagamano kashiage. Amano chere. Ununine, if I know no kashiala manano wo. Mano kashi. Chere, I said cool down, relax. It's just a matter of time. Japan win this city. And Japan win this city. Win this city. Nine win the Aburo Berisa. And our church on a wind. That's why we are called win this city. Win this city. Hello. Japan windy city. When I'm more get is a boy in here. A remote or a new home. Uno no park me China, eh? I can't embarrass it. My gaga con me Chagi. It would be too small. It's too small. I can't baga. I'm a leg. It's too small. Which kind? I'm never gonna see. I'm gonna mention when I'm ticket. Which kind flyer? No, they buy him when I'm ticket. When I know they put rubbish for my car. Bala. So when I'm ticket. Say, why would I get a ticket? Dala. Will back Mechagi. Don't worry. The day of recalling is coming. And the guy would ammonia bridge and I'm neighbor. Oceana boss na saga. Nana, no way. No, but the thunder. Anyway, come make you go down. You go see trouble wrong. Maybe here, but I want to get out with somebody that let go easily. Nah, he's sitting down. I want a chamber, I'm not cheap pilot to get no problem. Hey, those days are over. You go. How you end? You get you forever. Yeah, no follow. This is easy. Come on, no one else is. Why would you fall in? Come on, I'm going again. Man, on a GLC again. On a GLC again, baby. Udele iga muni menga. It's my wish for you. Ke ikpeme dia. Iga ikpeme inside the nga. That's my wish. I owe no fucking body in explanation. Iga muni menga. You women in there. Charge and bear lawyer and the K higher child. The charge and bear lawyer again. De la Makachi who breakthrough. De la ebuyala de yata van. Ebuyala ne yata van. Please let me come outside. Let me come outside and take a picture with my charge and bear dry suits, dry or culture dry season. Ishi okay lawyers. They so mumuish and stark illiterates. Nah, the mumu jureju. The mumuish followers, they rejoice. They like, welcome home. Okay, welcome home. Welcome back. Congratulations. Idiot had the audacity to tag me. My one, if you try this rubbish again, okay, now Udele is out. If he try it again, Get me preaching, Lamanda. Come on, take that your useless preaching out of my face. You know, I call that some cases. You know, I'm retired up now. Come on, get out of my face. Try me again, tag me on those rubbish thing again, and collect block and woto. Idiots. Do you think I have any atom of sympathy where Udele is? You must be or empathy. You wonyara. None of this thing exists where Udele is. Any time many manadati heni Udele pro unneki we shoku. Idiot to be a forge. Imbecile children. Could you just imagine a full-grown ass man who will sit up and formulate lies? Eh? Udele, you will remain there. I don't kuchielegi. I don't the way. You remain there. It's simple. They should contribute money for food. And we're here. Kuchigomgi. Ndala. Udele unti di de ga panga ye pa hamanga anya face the remaining 5 bia be nwo anya amara shanya lock like the final on him ne chando game on him ala tina no pa konyi kenyi boga ndiara konyi boga who are you calling ndiara now what you're dreaming big oh. You are really because a woman I am. I will wish you bet that time. You bet be man kukuya. You know, bet that time you be man kukuya. Yabena she darling. You know we can do a show together. We can do this together. I'm gonna do everything, whatever it takes. Omana grace in the too much. Omana I'm every. Okay, we can do the program together. You know, we can come out. We can create a program. Eat. You wait food. You wait. So where I'm gonna cheap pilot. I'm gonna $1 cheap pilot. All this dogo, all this in that the highly connected is connected with a cheap pilot as well. The thing is they penam. They give a water. Cheap pilot, that is the only thing, no. That wherever I'm going, I'm attacking you, I'm carrying you. You feel me? So she don't want that. She does not want that at all. All these are hate speech. All these are evil, manipulated and mastermind. You want to go? All the camera who wanna bleach and bleach show give biko he connect and then I connect biko popalamo biko borapamo hamana destiny okay this I give them you'll be shocked. I give people that Ogechi have met through this water zone. Despite that Ogechi is a bad person, no. Hey, no follow Ogechi. Oh, she's a bad woman, no follow her. People still love her for who she is. I didn't love from Nabu. Didn't love from Nabu. Like in the Panuru, a warm creka. A warm umbrella. A warm shin. People that associate and love me are people Panuru. Imagine I was making a post. At least a person there I'm here. Imagine I was running a program about our school of nursing I want to open. We don't have anybody that will read it. I'm not home anything, but that's my inspiration because of the high volume of nurses. So we wanted to create a school and give them the material here. So I will still affiliate with the school in Ghana. You feel me? So school they can equally go to Ghana and take their class, and I'll connect them with the they know what I'm saying. Nursing homes, hospitals need the nurses here on daily basis. So if I connect them for them passing their class to come here is easy for them. I said we needed to find how to register our project, which is school. I actually pay nursing school. Imonye poromo. No, after my program, phone marko. Mama, after my program, phone marko. Moye borom. I should have been following you silently for 2 good years. Anything, however you want to register, okay, way smooth move. You don't need it. I am so person. I'm so. You follow me? Yes. When I started following you, name exercise. That's a try because of your spirit. I knew you were on our job, but who cares? That was exactly the word he used. Who cares? I like you for you being real. You see? Fake life doesn't pay. Be real. When you got like a guy, like when you get hate, it does not matter. Be real. Be who you are. Don't fake life. Don't imitate who you're not. Which has been my logo, which has been my identity. So I don't know what's it again where I go the look for my calling card recharge he got their lives together. Are we on the same level? Do we receive that like? And I made a fake wig. And I made a fake AliExpress order. Is that are we in the same level? And I made a bleaching cream buy 2 buy 3. Can I make at the age of 50 something or 60 man look for a man that will manage you and still leave you? On the level we don't reason alike, we don't anticipate the same way. Brain they work with a very low IQ. IQ that is poor in I can't associate with Uno. I don't know which word can't you guys understand. It's obvious that you don't understand your level in life. All fingers are not equal. This is where you belong and this is where I belong. We are not in the same capacity. And you're not in the same capacity. That is who you. That is where you place yourself. Go to club at the age of 50. Now Mario Tula. I club in my teenage life. Those days are over. Season by season. When you mistake your identity out of age, 2 years, 3 years, that means you're not developing rightly. Something is missing. Something is definitely missing. That is why everything in a season. It's even written in the Bible that you're long a season. We have to age, you know. Get what the age you belong. Something is not your cognitive is not right. You want to go? It's not coordinated. That is why children cognitive behavior, their development, their this. I want them to be popular. Now this blue apple, Mwaya is not developing well. I've been observing that girl. She's not developing well. Her cognitive behavior is very low. And when you hear anything on Hannah who they especially carry that age on. But I will not say it. It's none of my business. I will not, but because I'm agram school, when I observe a child, I'm on the level of one to keep she name some certain things. Name properly, name some certain things. You feel me? So when somebody an adult at the adolescent age start behaving like a child, something is not right. I know I'm not the same level. So no matter what outside. Hey baby, fuck me, hey, I feel sweet, I feel it. However, who couldn't belong to? We are not in the same level. You know what? Which English again do you want me to speak? You want to lady, I'm Ijele, Makabi, woman that don't a low IQ. She can't make decision of her own. People have to tell her, move this side, move this side. She is not complete. Something is not right. She's not body, she's a broadcast nigga, she's a broadcast bitch. She got nothing. I just say name on billionaire Facebook. Ndara. Hey, Chimangbanyo na another movie. Chimangbanyo na another movie. Agora investment temeruna this year. I made this promise December. She can get me. Agora $2 ya. I will suffocate sooner. Bleacher, I not keep my promise. Attire. At least I show girls like Teresa and child lie. At least I have to do a shake with the Hana Moha. They don't need the kutume. Tomorrow, now wearing another one. Thank God I got on double time. So I got on all Laura. No, you need to it. Now, like myself, Joe. I may know, but I'm happiness. I give anything you want to get. I depend on the side, you know. Try what on the side. I depend on this. Which side where you I was very sick yesterday. Hey, now we were the shocker before. No matter with him like this. I was very devastated. Try on that guy with him. Try. That is the guy who my personal relative. You know, it really shocked me. Oh, Yama to him over sudden. Oh, Yiba. Oh, Yama to him. Man, Oyiba, serious oyi. Mbano na the boy ebinyele. Hey, ya didi kadela memma. Muna listen on line mba with one of my person. And na wulelu. Anakwa again. She listen na lepon which kind. Mahba oyiba. The man oyiba bia matu. Hey. Chineke nna me bikopa. Oh. Oh. That thing really shocked me. Oh, it's your the guy on my personally. Somebody thing with them. That thing with them. Oh, Iba. I had to go and take Tylenol, extra Tylenol, Ishiba. They came before. Oh, Iba. Now wow. I'm just tired to Wamusu. Mamu, that guy wa Muslim. That Chilek Pangaka, you know. Chilek Emekwe let him live more than 150 years. Because he has untimely death in that. Maduye me Iwaji. Iha ge mosu, iha ge ji me petapoto. Yeni me all that sika ge megi. Everything he me all that sika ge megi. Agam gba wo the number one person ga mo ko ge bi cho hin nonto. It's your hearing. I will mock you. I will remind the person I keep record. Makechi, somebody got show get cake. Man, remind down. Because if you guys cannot control this madman, where that death is inevitable. Oh, we hate everybody. But here we barakonya mboke eruro. Mother muyamo kwa the person. Eme yapo Jesus. Eme what have faith? Oh my God. She's una shona geke awnyara unu obon. Shona geke obon. Oh. Neke me kwala unu ebere. Do you matter yesterday? I only name she chilling na he call again. That one with the boy, I was so shocked. Hey, I feel like like this before. Nelumi ya wa name chineke na. Ishi mana do like this. Ping. She he call na nani because the shock was there. Chineke na wish a nigga na equal makomo ya no, and you bring him back just for a second chance. Oh, a careless death. That boy could have made it. He could have made it alive, but Nigeria need the CPR in every corner. CPR. Oh, tell me check on that boy. You can want about 1 minute. That boy with remain. Oh shit. Such a vibrant young man. Oh. Anybody or the only child of the parents. That useless gay one herself. No, you fulani kana many will keep here and what to the Bena coin. Can't show him only child while he only child. Show him what another one day get represent again. That way you were when you will keep a go to la. Eh? Gabana corn. Go Burugi Hapolani this boy or can't remember. Now, quarrying you. Eh? Oh, yeah, no, God will bless whom to bless. Who am I to judge? With the best. To take care of the 3 boys. Nani will like it larger. Rubbish. But when I no provoke me, make I no come home. Rubbish. Only duties, responsibilities to do. But what nonsense be shenanigans. It's survival. Let's chances God in your gage. Poison Nicky will like a gas survive. Came and who got survive. Came make gas survive. How many times actually you see you still get we EK and what keep a garo? He had Jilalu Sodom and Gomorrah. I want Hekagema. I no provoke, I no talk with you, I don't want to talk. No, the thing only Italo. Mama, I'm get rid of that boy, yeah, my brain. I wish a responsible man gonna be. I'm crying only got the responsible. Oh, you can't be on apple, you can't be on apple. gonna return back to Woto very soon. I'll be back in Woto very soon. Woto come near Mary Woto. Because Mary need Woto. Talk about a gun down on those people. I'm recover child on these boys self. Now guys, come up on John. Come up on.